Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So it does look like Block is gonna keep running all over again. I already did I posted this first to my Patreon members again. I think this is an extremely small market cap that I think can run super hard. It is backed by BitBoy Crypto. The whole project is funded extremely well. Again, it is speculative. It's more of a gamble. The market cap is $510,000, which I think is absurdly low for something of this caliber, especially if it's especially if it's supported by bigger crypto names, right? But again, I do think that this can definitely run super hard to the upside. We'll just add a couple of we'll add a couple of resistance in line. I think we're good right there. I think the next stop for us is probably going to be right from when it opened to there. I think the next stop is going to be around 4 cents or so. I think my last video I said 30 cents. I was mistaking it for probably another crypto. But I do think the next stop for BLOKTOPIA is going to be 48 cents. At this price, it would probably put market cap like at $750,000. I still think that's extremely low. I think BLOKTOPIA should be valued at least a couple million. I initially bought in at 3 cents. I bought in a little bit more at around 3.5 cents. And I'm just gonna be holding. Again, this is completely speculative. It just started trading October 7th, so it's an extremely new token. On the upside, really, from when it was actually listed, to now, it's done 108x already, which is absolutely insane. But keep in mind, when it got listed, it opened up with a value of probably like 50K or something, or probably even less of a market cap. So I think this is more of a long-term hold. I don't think I'm going to be selling anytime soon. It's just something that I looked into. I think the project is pretty okay. It's a gaming project. It's basically based on in the metaverse. But again, this is more of a speculative project, or more of a speculative crypto, compared to something like a Lossless, where it already has proven technology. It's already worked. There's already backing on it. There's consistent growth on that. So Lossless, I'm not scared if it goes down or up. I'm constantly picking it up. I do think that BLOKTOPIA is headed in a pretty good way, especially with the backing that it has. But again, I think short term, I am bullish towards like a 4.85 cent mark or so. And again, the daily just closed, it barely closed bullish yesterday. And as of right now, it's still completely bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. It doesn't seem like it wants to drop. The 1 hour just went bullish as well. It looks like it's going to close in about 11 minutes. So I do expect, BLOKTOPIA to hit, I do expect BLOKTOPIA to possibly hit, 4.5, maybe 5 cents sometime today or tomorrow. I'm definitely bullish, but I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.